So today we have this interesting geometry question with us. This question is from circles. Here we are given a circle and two chords, chord AB with length 8, chord DC with length 6, and this line segment EF is 1 unit. Okay. What do we need to do? We need to find the radius of this circle, and the center of the circle is O. So let's see how we can find the radius of this circle. To find the radius of the circle, first of all, we will draw the radius in the figure. So first of all, we will be joining center and this point D, and we will get one radius, correct? We will draw one more radius by joining point O and point A. So let's join point O and point A. So now we have two radius, OA and OD. Let the radius be R units. Okay. Let the radius be R units. Now we will be using one property of circles and chords. Now what happens if a line segment perpendicularly drops on the chord from the center of the circle? It bisects the chord. It bisects the chord. I will just place the line segment from the center of the circle drawn perpendicularly bisects the chord on which that line segment falls. Okay, so that means AB is divided into two equal parts, that is 4 unit and 4 unit. Similarly, DC is also bisected 3 units and 3 units, correct? Now please look at the right triangle OFD. In right triangle OFD, the perpendicular is OF, base is DF, and hypotenuse is OD. So OF, we do not know the length of OF. We know the length of DF, that is 3 units. We don't know the length of OD. Now similarly, look at a right triangle OEA. In right triangle OEA, OE is the perpendicular, base is AE, and hypotenuse is radius again, that is OA, correct? So what is OE? OE is, we don't know. AE is 4 and OA is radius. Now if you look at these three numbers and these three numbers, these should be Pythagorean triplets. These should be Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now can you tell me, if we have a Pythagorean triplet and in which the numbers are 3 and 4, what should be the triplet? It should be 3, 4 and 5, correct? That's why in this triplet, if DF is 3, OF will be 4 and radius will be 5. Similarly, in this triplet, OE, if A is 4, OE will be 3 and radius again will be 5. So there is no need of calculation. There is no need of calculation. If you are good with remembering Pythagorean triplets, we can easily find the answer. So according to this, the radius will turn out to be 5 units. The radius will turn out to be 5 units. This will be our final answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends.